for the youth. We're expecting great and huge things. God is going to manifest himself, and we're going to see people come out of drugs, addictions, sex, pornography, everything, masturbation. If you're struggling with that, I encourage you to come to this conference.
What's up, FIU? I want to let you know that this weekend there's an event in Miami that you cannot miss. I want to invite you personally, FIU students, to come check out an event that will completely change your life. It's not about your studies all the time. It's not so much about your career, but it's about God. And let him do something in your life. Let him do something that has never been. He's not a God in a box, but he's a God everywhere. I'll see you this weekend.
Hey guys, what's up? I want to invite you to Consuming Fire. Your life is going to be completely changed. Expect God to heal the sick. Expect God to heal cancer. Expect your life to be completely changed and transformed. God is manifesting his glory in ways that we cannot imagine. I encourage you to be there.
Hey FIU students, I just wanted to encourage you and give a shout out to all of you to come out to this event, Consuming Fire. I expect glorious things to happen in this event. These 2 days will transform your life to another level, an increasing level with God. And I want you to come out and just sign up right after this promo. I want you to go out and sign up to this event.
Hey, what's up, FIU? I'm excited for this Friday, Consuming Fire, the biggest event of the year. Yo, I'm expecting my life to be transformed. God is gonna show up crazy style. Yo, if you're addicted to porn, if you're addicted to masturbation, if you're in stress, if you just don't know what to do with your life, you need to be here. You FIU student that you're watching me, yo, come, do not miss out. It's only $25. So what do you got to lose, you know? I hope to see you there this Friday.